Alright, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, meet again in my channel. So, for this episode, I'm going to show you how to make filling a cell using a color palette on the magnitude of the numerical values. Means that based on numerical value, so in this table, we're going to fill in the colors based on the highest value and the lowest value. From the lowest value to the highest value means that the color will change depending on the color, the number of in this table. So it means that the lowest value will have a lighter color, and the highest value will have a darker color. So we just need to highlight this table. Right? I have a monthly hand sanitizer sold by brand in unit from January to December. So now I just go to conditional formatting and click on color scales. So there are a lot of color scale that you can choose. Let's say for this one, green, yellow, red color scale. If you hover the mouse on the first color scale, you will see that the description is green, yellow, red color scale. It means that it apply a color gradient to a range of cell. The color indicates where each cell value fall within that range. Means that this is what the Excel give to us automatically, right? For this means that for the color for the less value, right, in the table, the color will be the red color. For the highest value, the color will be green color, right? So this is the method that we want to do, but we're not going to compare for the three brand, right, together. We're not going to highlight the three brand together, but instead of highlighting that, we are trying to highlight each brand one by one. So I just go to color scale and I click on uh, red white color. It means that it will show the darker color, the darker red color for the highest value, and the white color for the smallest value, right? This is one of the method. Let's say for brand B, I just don't want to use the existing color. I want to use another color, right? My own colors. So I can click on more rules. Right? Once you click on more rules, right, you will get the new formatting rule dialog box. Now you can choose your color for the lowest value. Instead of having orange color, you can, let's say I want to use a green color. The lowest should be on the lowest lighter color. For the highest value, I want it to appear the darker green color, right? So I want it to do like this, 2-bar color scale, and then I click OK. So you can see now the darker color will be on the darker color will represent the highest value, while the lighter color will represent the smallest value. So let's do for brand C. Go to conditional formatting and click on color scales. You can use your the automatic or suggested color scale, or you can click on more rule. Just now I already used 2 color scale. Now let's say I want to use 3 color scale. So means that it will cut for the lowest value, percentile, and the highest value. Percentile means we will take on the middle value. Let's say for the lowest value, I want to use it on the blue, darkest, the most darkest blue color. And for the for the lowest value means I want to use the most lighter lah. Huh? For the highest value, most darker color, right? For the middle value, I don't want to use another color, but still in the blue family. So I just want you to go for blue accent lighter 40%. So let's say I just made one color, so I click OK. So it will show us the condition that or the rules that we specified before. Right, this is how we create a color scales application on a Microsoft Excel. So I hope this will help you to get to make your decision on data visualization and presentation, right, using a Microsoft Excel. Okay, thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you again. Bye. Assalamualaikum.